Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review for Hergivenhair. It's been a while, but I'm excited to show you guys what I got from them this time. First, I'm just starting by unpackaging the package to show you guys what they sent me. They sent me over a bonnet, and these are my favorite kind of bonnets with the little drawstring on it so that I can adjust how snug I want it to fit. And then they sent over a headband, and they sent over this like little sleeve that you can use to sleep with or style, and of course they sent over a little bag to store the wig in. So this is the wig that we will be wearing today. This is the Sure Fit headband wig. So yes, I want a headband wig, y'all. It's been a while since I had a headband wig, and I just think they're really convenient for those bad hair days. So the construction of the wig, you have a clip in the front, 2 clips on the side. This is the band, and it is adjustable. And then at the back you have another clip and a drawstring. At the front is kind of closed, and then towards the middle it is breathable, so it's open, you can reach your hair, and that helps so that you won't be too hot with it on, and then you can reach it in case you need to scratch or anything like that. So I just went ahead and co-washed my hair, and now I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner. I'm using this Camille Rose leave-in conditioner, and we are going to style it. We are doing a twist out with this headband wig. So you can do a twist out, of course, you can do a braid out, or you can just wear it in a wash and go. But I just wanted to show you guys how I style it and do a twist out. By the way, I did wear this wig for an entire week, and I didn't have to do anything else after this. So although I'm styling it the first day, this is not an everyday thing. It will definitely last you at least 2 to 3 weeks after you do the initial styling. So you definitely don't have to do this every day. Once you do your twist out, it's over with. So I'm just working the leave-in conditioner all throughout my hair, and then I'm going to section it off in 2 sides. Then we're going to start working with one side, and I'm going to start from the bottom and working my way up to the top. So simply all I'm going to do is go through and pull out medium sections of hair, and I'm going to twist it down. Very, very simple. And then once I get to the bottom of the twist, something that's very important that I do is I twirl the hair around my fingers. That helps it so you know that it's going to be curly all the way through. So I'm just going to go starting from the bottom, working my way up to the top on both sides. Each row that I section off, I split it into about 3 twists. About 3 twists, and then I just twist them down, I detangle and twist them down, and that's about it. Okay, y'all, this is what the hair looks like after I do all of my twists. I would say I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, let's just say 10, probably about 10 twists on both sides. So it didn't take long at all. I did time it and it took me 20 to 25 minutes to do this. So it really doesn't take much time to style this at all for the week or 2 or 3 weeks, because it does last a while. Now it is the next day. I did let the hair air dry. If you are short on time, you can sit under the dryer or sit the wig under like a hooded dryer, and then it'll be dry in a little while as well. But I did have time, so I just let it air dry. The next day I did add a little gel to my edges. My hair is in braids, and I like the fact that I can keep my hair in braids and wear this headband wig. I just like brush my braids back and add a little bit of gel to it, and I was good to go. Now I'm trying on the wig, making sure to put my clips in. I didn't do all the clips, just like the side clip and of course the back clip, and then I did the drawstring, and as you can see, it passes the tug test. This wig is not going anywhere, so it is nice and secure, and I just made sure to tuck the drawstring in. And now we're going to start from the bottom, kind of like we started, and we're going to pull the hair apart. After we pulled the hair apart the first time, I'm going through and I'm going to each section, and I am pulling the hair where it naturally separates. So I'm not gonna just like make up my own thing. Whenever I start to pull the hair at the root, I can kind of tell where it's gonna separate. It does it on its own, and then that's where I pull. Doing that helps it so it's not too frizzy, and it keeps its definition. And if you want, you can do that 1 time or 2 times or 3 times, depending on how fluffy you want your hair to be, because it can get as big as you want it to be. So I think I only did it 1 time because I do want it to be nice and defined, and I did want it to last a while. So after I was done with that, I just went through with my pick and picked my roots so that I could have, you know, a bigger, more fuller look. And then my final step, I am doing my little baby hair. So I'm doing my little swoop-de-doops around the edges. Okay, y'all, so this is the completed look. I love this. This is just super convenient. I especially want this wig for my bad hair days, like before work. Well, I'm never gonna have a bad hair day again because I got this wig. So it's super easy to put on and to style. And yeah, this is the Twistout results. So that is what I was showing you guys, just what it looks like with the headband already on it. So you could just wear it like that, or you can add your own headband wig. I know this headband doesn't match this, but this is like my little teacher headband, so I just threw that on to show you what that kind of headband looks like. And then I'm going to try on the headband that they sent in the package. This more matches with my outfit, and it's super cute as well. I'm just trying to make sure I cover up the little black section, and that's what that looks like. Super duper cute. And then I'm going to also show you guys what it looks like with the scarf. I just folded my scarf down. I'm just going to tie that around so you can do a scarf as well. It's very versatile, and it's like so many ways that you can style this wig. So if you guys like this wig, I will definitely have a link down below. This is the Short Fit headband wig, and the hair texture I got is curly, so definitely check them out down below. Thank you so much, Hergivenhair, for sponsoring this video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.